everyone, it's Gunther the Penguin here, and today I'm going to be answering a few questions for this collab, so yeah. I do all kinds of crafts, but mostly polymer clay, but I also do like origami, popsicle stick stuff, I paint, etc. But yeah, mostly polymer clay. Crafted, like when I was little, I would make little polymer clay stuff, like for example this little penguin. But yeah, I've always crafted. Also, I went to a ceramics class when I was 7, 8, and yeah, but now I craft more often, so I guess I started crafting more often when I was about 11, so yeah. A YouTube channel to inspire other people and to help them with making some other crafts, and yeah, that's basically it. Also, to be able to subscribe to people and comment on their channels or comment on their videos and like them, but yeah. I've always been crafting, so no one really inspired me to craft, but I guess paper pastels inspired me to make kawaii stuff and to start crafting like every day or almost every day. And she, I guess, also inspired me to make a YouTube channel. Also, I eat socks. I actually have a lot of favorite crafters. Like, I really like paper pastels and polymer clay Michelle or my petite cakes, and I eat socks. But yeah, I couldn't really say who's my favorite crafter, because there's just a bunch of really awesome crafters. Yeah, those are all the questions. I hope you liked my answers, and sorry if I sound a little bit weird. I have a cold and my throat has been hurting, so yeah. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.